Are you wondering whether or not you're ready to buy a house? I'll explain in less time than it takes to build this furniture. Why isn't Dad doing this for us like he usually does? At our age, I think it's time to be a little more independent. Before you think about buying, make a list of your upcoming projects for the next 5 years. Are you thinking of continuing your studies, going on a trip, buying a car, starting a business? The idea is to establish your priorities. Becoming a homeowner is gratifying, but if you have other projects that are more important to you, it's okay to keep renting a place. Renting offers more flexibility. If your income is stable, predictable, and your savings are good, start by identifying your needs. How many bedrooms do you want? Do you need parking? And would you rather have a house or a condo?
Is this a shelf or a table?
Get to know the market and learn about the prices. This will allow you to see if the properties that fit your criteria also fit your budget. To buy something, you also need a down payment. That's a minimum of 5% of the price of the property. Think about putting aside another 2 to 3% of the property's value for other expenses like the inspection, the notary, or the welcome tax. Aww. Before asking for a mortgage loan, you can consult an advisor or use an online calculator to show you your monthly payments. That will help you better evaluate your budget. The important thing is to ensure that you're ready, financially and mentally, to become a homeowner. And then, just follow the steps. Ta-da! Nice!
Wasn't it supposed to be a chair?
Yep.